and you get 3 or 4 siblings at the home on closing day, and they're walking through, and there's just tears. And it's happy tears and sad tears, right? And you kind of sit there, and if you know them well enough, you're giving hugs and putting your arm around people. If not, you're politely standing back, and I always carry a box of tissues with me, type of thing. And it's really just you, but it's also it is the reminder needed at times of why we do what we do beyond the financial gain.
Yeah, and I think it's and I say, like, literally, this is my script when I first meet somebody, whether it's to sell their house or to help them buy. I say, listen, I treat everybody like I would a family member, and I generally do that.
You do.
For a lot of different reasons, but primarily it helps keep me grounded. It keeps me in a spot where I'm like, would I do this to my brother, my sister, my mom, my dad, my aunt, uncle?
Yeah.
Right. And then I also say, tied into that conversation, I say, listen, yeah, of course, I need to sell homes to make a living. I got to, to put the roof over my kid's head, to feed them, yada, yada.